Hello and welcome back to my channel. In the previous videos we have seen how do we create a list, how do we append something into a list, and how do we insert something or extend a list. If you did not watch the previous videos, I have given the links in the description. You may go and watch it. So there are some keywords of Python: remove, pop, del and clear. So what are these keywords used for? Let me explain. So when you are to remove something from a list, so you're gonna make the use of these keywords. So let us see the application of it with the coding. And so let me try to create a list. So now a basic list is created. So I'm going to make the use of this remove and try to remove the element from my list. So I want to remove BMW from my cars. So what I'm going to do is simply write cars followed by remove keyword and then enter the text which I want to remove from my list, and then I will try to print my list again, which is a new list, updated list. So let us try to run this and see what is the output. So my BMW is removed and rest all will be printed as it is. Now let us try to implement the next one, which is pop, and now what you need to do is give the reference of the index. So I want to remove my BMW from this specific list and then print the rest all. So now let us try to run this. So in the same case, in this next case also we get the same output. But by making the use of this pop keyword, what you're gonna do is you can return to the one which you have removed. So let me try to just initialize this cars to some variable x. So what happens is you can return to x, which will again print your removed element also. So you can see here. So Hyundai, Benz, Ford and followed by BMW. So making the use of this pop keyword will help us to return the element which we have removed from the list. So now let us try to see the implementation. You're gonna do is simply write del followed by cars and then the range of the index which you want to remove. So I wanted to remove my BMW and Hyundai and then just print Benz and Ford. So what I'm going to do is simply specify the index of the positions. So I removed my BMW followed by Benz and then the last two will be printed. So let us try to make the use of the clear and understand how do we wipe off everything from our list. So simply what you're going to do is specify clear followed by cars and then try to run this. So everything in this list will be wiped off. So this is how you implement the remove pop clear del keywords. So the only difference between this is remove is used to remove only a element from the list. Then followed by pop is used to remove the element from the list as well as you can return to the element at the last. Del is used to remove a range of elements. Like when you want to remove two or three elements from a list at once, what you're gonna do is simply specify from which index you want to remove from the starting of the index and specify the end of the index. And at last, what you're gonna do is use the clear keyword which is going to wipe off everything from your list. This is it for this tutorial. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. And the source code for this video is provided in the description. Thank you.